As-salaamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Halal Talk Show, the channel where we help you discover what's halal, what's doubtful, and how to make the best food choices. Today's review is about Halal Gyro Kabob House, a restaurant that has become popular for its mix of Middle Eastern, South Asian, and Mediterranean flavors. But the question is it really halal? And what can you expect from the menu? Halal Gyro Kabob House is known for a wide variety of dishes. Their menu usually includes chicken and lamb gyros, rice platters, shawarma, falafel, kebabs, biryani, curries, naan, and fresh salads. It's a combination of traditional halal cart-style meals and home-style cooking, making it a favorite for both quick bites and family dinners. Now let's address the halal status. The restaurant openly identifies itself as halal in the name. Most branches are Muslim-owned, and they claim to source their meat from halal-certified suppliers. Customer feedback from the Muslim community generally supports their halal claim, with many saying the food is safe and trustworthy. But here's the reminder. Not every location shows halal certification clearly. As Muslims, our responsibility is to ask about their meat suppliers and check for certificates if possible. The name alone isn't enough. We should always verify before eating. So the verdict: Halal Gyro Kabob House is generally halal and a trusted spot for Muslims, but confirmation at your local branch is always recommended. Now I'd like to hear from you. Have you ever tried Halal Gyro Kabob House? What was your favorite dish? And did you find proof of halal certification there? Share your experiences in the comments so the community can benefit. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to Halal Talk Show for more authentic halal reviews every week. As-salaamu Alaikum wa rahmatullah.